Hi guys, welcome to an episode of Exploring Tennessee. I am here on the Cherokee Skyway. This is the first overlook as you head from the Tennessee side towards the North Carolina side, and I am taking you on an adventure today. We are gonna go see a lake that's got camping, hiking, boating. It's just got all sorts of outdoor sports. We're gonna go along the path that goes around the lake, and there's even a beach on the lake. So stay tuned and stick with me as we go exploring in Tennessee. Today. I'm just going to show you some of the beauty that's right here in my backyard in Tennessee. So let's go. I've got my hiking shoes on and I got my backpack ready to picnic. Let's go explore. All right, we're here at the trail, so let's go explore. This trail goes about a little over 3 miles. It goes all the way around the lake. I'm gonna take it and we're gonna go on a hike today. So let's go explore. Come on. Alright, here's the bridge that crosses the lake, and let me wait till I get to the middle here and I'll show you what I'm looking at. It's really pretty. Yeah, beautiful. Today's probably our first cooler day. We are like past the midpoint of August. I came here in the morning so it would be a little less crowded, so anyway, that's what I'm looking at right now on the hike, so just thought I'd share that with you. I wish there were smell-o-vision, y'all. I'm out on this trail and you can smell the pine trees. Obviously you can hear all the crickets and birds and everything else, but man does it smell. You can smell the mountain air here. It's just a perfect day to come. It's probably about 11 o'clock. And like I said, we passed the midpoint of August, but this is our first cooler day. So I thought I'd come hiking today. So I'm glad you're joining me. Stay tuned, I got more footage for you. We're gonna be seeing the boat ramp, the general store, and the campground. So stick around. All right guys, still hiking, and I'm about probably a little less than at the halfway mark here. And I just thought I'd show you the view from here. kind of making our way around the lake. This must be a little teeny branch that comes off the lake. So they have a little bridge. But it's absolutely beautiful, guys. Highly recommend. I can hear that tree like creaking because it's a little bit windy. So I don't know how much longer she's gonna hold up, but she was creaking, man. All right, back to the beautiful hike. Still on the hike, and look at that, y'all. Let's go see what's over there. Looks like a little opening. I want to take you to it, so let's go. On the trail, and there's another little step off the trail. I think it goes out over the lake. Let's go see what's over there. Come on, let's go. Here's another opening on the lake. And this one actually has a little bench. So, pretty neat. I've seen some people hiking along the pathway with their dogs. So it is dog friendly if they're on a leash. Yeah. Here we are, guys. We're probably right at the halfway point, and I'll show you where I'm at. Hang on one second here. Let me see. That was the starting point over there. So yeah, I'm gonna take a drink, take a break here. Right next to the general store here, right on the lake. You launch from right here. So you don't even need to bring a boat if you don't want to. They will rent you one. This is coming close to the end, getting back to the beach. I'm nearing the end of the trail here. And it's taken me about an hour and 45 minutes. I did stop, of course, along the way. Got a drink out of my backpack and stopped by the general store and the boat ramp so I could show you guys that. So I did kind of make some stops along the way. So definitely a novice hike. So it would be super easy if you had kids, dogs, family. Not too bad. There were a couple inclines, but I would call them more or less hills along the way, but very well maintained. Extremely pristine. So yeah, coming near the end. Just pretty. So that's hiking an Indian Boundary around the lake.